I'm Bram Frank. I'm from Florida. I'm originally from New England. I'm a good Connecticut Yankee and a Green Mountain boy because I'm in Vermont. My system is CSSD SC, which is Common Sense Self-Defense Street Combat.
What keeps Bram Frank up at night?
That I didn't do enough to give back to humanity.
Mm.
So, and I'm constantly in my head, I'm like Porsche. I only make changes in my knives if it's an engineering change.
Right.
I don't care about the color. And that's why people, 911s all basically look the same. No kidding.
Mm-hmm.
Unless it's a specific, and body shapes don't get changed unless it's really an engineering change.
Right.
So it keeps me up because I see my knives, variations of locks, the blades, things I can do, manufacturing changes, and I'm not a trained engineer. I'm a self-trained engineer.
Right.
Keeps me up. Did I finish my Buttermals, my stuffed Muppet creatures?
Mm-hmm.
They're my pet rock.
Right.
I think they would make me $1 zillion. I dream of them all the time and go, what did I not finish?
Right.
My daughter goes, will you build me a new race car?
Right.
I don't have a shop, but part of me, she gets in and goes, oh my God, should I building a car, hot cars with my daughter?
Right.
Believe it or not, did I read enough?
Right.
Did I miss something?
Right.
Did I insult someone? I'm so into ethics that sometimes I wonder, did I screw it up somewhere?
Mm-hmm.
Because I believe in karma. I know I'm a Jewish kid, I'm not supposed to believe in karma,
exactly.
but I do in a way that I think if you do evil, evil comes back.
Yeah.
And I've had great evil done to me, and I have to take a breath and go, I will not get, as my mom said, don't get in the mud with pigs because you can't tell who's who.
Right.
Back to my mom being an influence, and I try my best, and that's what haunts me. Am I ethical? And people go, what do you mean? You said, how much you do for humanity. Well, that really keeps me up at night, for real. What have I done? What have I given back to human beings? What have I given to my friends? Have I done enough to give back to life? Because it's not what you take from it.
It's what you give.
It's what you give, exactly. So believe it or not, that haunts me.
Right.
And I wonder about, a day goes by and goes, I'm one of those feels guilty. If I only put in 10 hours of work in a day, I'm guilty. I didn't work hard enough. If I only, and you've seen, I try to do one video a morning because I'd been very sick. And a couple of my doctors went, you do a full video? That's a full explanation video. And you planned it out and do it. I said, well, I'm not good at it, but yeah, I do it. Did you work on your knives today? Yeah. Did you work on your system today? Yeah. How many books have you written? Well, a bunch. They're like, and you don't think that's enough? And I'm like, no. Did I take care of the house, take care of the cat, go teach the team? Because I used to be deployed all the time to go teach. Mm-hmm. All of that, I wonder, honestly, have I done enough?
And I think